and the software. Okay, must make sure the UK insert on the computer. After, otherwise it cannot use. Now we go to the setting part. First of all, you can choose the language setting. You can choose the Chinese, English, and we also can add the Spanish. Okay, we go to the port selection. Normally use the internet. Press this button, and we need to find the controller IP and port. Search the. Okay, you can see the IP and the port for the controller. Must remember this, and double click it, and here you can change the IP address for the controller according to your situation. Okay. Now we're back to the intersection setting. The IP must be same as the controller. Port is 401. Name can make this intersection as intersection 1 by system. If you want to a new intersection, change the NAS code of the IP address. Intersection 2 or
这个肯定是不行的。那你就设定过一遍。
And the intersection 3.
改呀改呀改名字啊。
Section 4. Okay. Now we need to choose the connection of the intersection. For example, we choose the intersection number 1 and apply it. Here we need to change the computer IP. Make sure same as the controller. Okay, after the computer IP change, now we get back to the software and now do the ranking readback. Now read back the controller setting to the software. Okay, here pay attention to the transition running parameter. Green flash means the last seconds of the green time. The green light will flash. For example, it set the 3 seconds means the last 3 seconds the green light will flash. Yellow time is for the yellow light time, normally 3 to 5 seconds. Red flash time is okay. Then now we go to the schedule list. Our system have 30 schedule list can set. Now we can do set schedule number 1 or number 2. Okay, we go to the set number 1. You have the schedule definition. Can see a real for the real looking.你要不要把这个去啊？
他那个到时候下载的话，肯定有方案，有的有方案。
有方案。Okay, go to the south, north and west part, west straight, for example, 15, 20 seconds. And step 2 is north and south pedestrian lights running for 15 seconds. And step 3 for the east and west straight and left there. Left here, 20 seconds. And the fourth step is for the pedestrian light, 50 seconds. Okay. Now we finish the setting of schedule 1. And also can do the new schedule. For example, schedule number 2. Okay, we finish the schedule number 2. Then we need to decide in the whole day which period running which schedule list. Here is the start time is normally the 0 o'clock. For example, we want the from 0 o'clock to 8 o'clock run number 1. Okay. And to 8 o'clock run schedule number 2. Okay. 8 o'clock run number 2. And the next step to 11 to 23. The other times running back to schedule number 1. Okay. The end time must be 23, 59, and 59 seconds. Now we already finished the plan, the week plan setting. The weekend plan setting almost the same like the weekday plan. Okay, we already finished the setting of the weekday plan. Now we close the schedule definition. We go to the monitoring part. The monitoring list. The yellow time, the yellow option, the yellow is for the yellow flash of the whole intersection. All red means all direction of the light will be red. The bottom test is to test all the lights working right or not, one by one. And the manual test for choose the exacting one light to test working well or not. Okay, you can set different lights. Which light you want to test, you press the button. And the special is for special controlling. For example, when big leader come to the main intersection, you want to decide which direction is on. For example, the south street on, then you choose the south street, then start. After some seconds, the communication finished. You will see only the south street light green time on. Other all directions are red time. Okay, here come out. Also can choose other. Also have many others to choose. Okay, the monitoring is for checking the running situation of the whole junction. 这个也要，这个关了之后它也要反应，有一段时间了。Okay, you can see. Now it's the release section for the whole intersection. Okay, let's go for the setting. Thank you.
听一下嘛。
没有练过，这肯定不行的，不要听。
把门关。